This is Michael from SoftwareOasis.com. We're doing a 30-day challenge covering 90 top software solutions for growing and managing your business online. In each 180-second video, you'll get 6 quick actionable tips. So let's get started with R for Rytr. It's used by over 7 million copywriters, marketers, and entrepreneurs around the world. Rytr is an AI writing assistant that helps you create quality content in just a few seconds at a fraction of the cost. Rytr is a better 10x way to write. So let's jump right into the application. Tip number 1 is customize your tone and creativity. I'm going to use convincing. But you can choose from all different kinds of tones to match your company branding and style. Tip 2, use Rytr to generate ideas and outlines. The AI can quickly generate high-level topic ideas and detailed outlines to kickstart your writing process. This can save time coming up with ideas. So I'm going to choose a blog outline on vacation ideas, and I'm going to click on Write for Me, and we'll see the outline that it generates. Tip number 3, optimize for different formats. Tailor your output for different formats like blog posts, social media, sales copy, etc. by looking at the drop-down. Tip number 4, edit and refine the AI output. The right panel makes it easy to edit and refine the AI's writing by rephrasing, expanding, or condensing any of the text with the different options and selections. Tip number 5, use Rytr for non-English writing. Create output in over 30 different languages and regionalize your blog posts. Tip number 6, integrate with expanded tools. Click on a counter, you can see the integrations, and connect your Rytr account with SERP analysis to get search engine analysis when generating blog ideas and outlines. So integrate with keyword tools to get enhanced suggestions when generating outlines via your SEMrush account. There's also an API integration. Bonus tip 7, create an online profile showcasing your best work generated with Rytr and share it with clients. Get a free demo of Rytr by clicking the link below the video or going to softwareoasis.com/RYTR. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to see if we make our challenge goal. Over the next 30 days, we plan to cover 6 actionable tips on 90 different software solutions. Be sure to check back daily to learn about the latest solutions in AI software, CRMs, email marketing, analytics, and more.